Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using Unity Playground to start creating our first game. So open up Unity Hub, click on New. We're going to create a new 2D project, so make sure 2D is selected. And let's name this maze. We are going to create a simple maze today. Okay, so today we're going to start getting used to the Unity interface and some of the core concepts. Okay, click on create. Once you've got the correct location selected, make sure it's called maze. Create. We have Unity open. Let's go to window, asset store, where you can press Control 9 as well. That's a nice shortcut. Search for Unity Playground. This is a nice initiative by Unity to give non-developers a chance to try Unity out. So you can go in and create your own very simple games with this. It will allow you to test the waters and see if Unity is for you. If you're not all that technically inclined and you want to see if you're not so sure whether you want to invest your time on learning Unity and learning to code, this will give you a nice idea on whether you want to pursue Unity in the future. So let's go ahead and download. Okay, so I downloaded this before, so yours will probably show a download button here. Go download first, we'll change to import. Click on import. Okay, this can take a while. I'm going to pause it and carry on when it's downloaded. Okay, pops up this window. This Unity package has package manager dependencies, installer upgrade. Just click that. Once that's done, click on import. Okay, this will install Unity Playground for you. Okay, importing everything, all the assets. It comes with quite a few nice assets, some 2D assets, and some scripts that make it very easy to create some simple games. You can get a full-on game going in a few minutes. You know, very basic thing, but you can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna skip ahead here. Okay, it's done importing. Let's click on seed. Okay, so if you are not used to the interface, your scene view is where you're going to be adding your game characters, your environment, your background, anything related to your game graphically. Your hierarchy view is where you create game objects. Anything that you add to your scene is a game object. We have a console at the bottom. In project, we want to click on project for now. You can expand it up. You can rearrange these windows as you see fit, but I just prefer to keep it in the default layout, especially when I'm giving classes. I prefer everyone's layout to be the same, so it's just easier to go in and help people. The inspector project, we want to go and find some images and start adding them to our scene. Let's do this. Okay, we want to create a maze, so I want to go into images. Okay, so it's assets, images, and blocks. Let's create something out of wood. Let's use stone. I don't think I've used this before. Okay, so the idea behind what we are doing today, we want to get used to the interface. So let's take these blocks, create a basic maze. Your scroll button in the mouse is to zoom in, scroll down is zoom out. Middle click and drag is to pan around. So I'm just going to zoom out a bit so it makes it a bit easier to add items. So you can either keep dragging your stones in like that, or you can just click on your stone either in your hierarchy view, which is here on the left. Click on your stone to select it, or you can click on the stone directly in your scene view, which is this view. Okay, so I'm going to click on that and hit the buttons Control. While holding down Control, press D. You'll see it will create another stone for you. So Control D means duplicate. I'm going to move this guy down and try to line him up. So the secret to lining your items together is to hold down V. As you have the object selected, hold V. You'll see when I move to the top left corner or to any of the corners, you'll see a little blue circle. This will allow you to snap to another object that's close to it and line it up nice and easy. Okay, so that's one way. So I'm gonna go click it again, Control D, drag it down, hold V, just V, not Control V, V, drag it up. I'm going to repeat this process, V, Control D. Let's do it like that. Every consecutive one we're going to be doing a different technique. Now second one, I'm going to take it from the bottom. This is for practicing, okay? You need to practice. Next one, Control D. Drag this up maybe around here. So practice is so important. You need to be able to use this Unity editor, with your eyes closed. Yeah, I've been using this for must be about 10 years now, so this is like child's play to me. It needs to be like that for you as well. Take some time, but you'll get there. And these exercises are so great for doing that. Okay, it's repetitive, but like I said, sometimes repetition is necessary. Get that muscle memory going. Keep back and forth, pressing out your Control D and dragging from the bottom. Get used to these two techniques for today. It'll be great. Okay, I'm going to make a nice simple looking maze here. So you get the idea. I want you to continue with this. Please create something decent. Put some effort in. It's the only way you'll get good at anything. Okay, you can see I'm using the different techniques. Okay, just watch me going. Then Control D, hold V, drag on here, hold V, Control D again, V. Okay, I'm going to skip forward. I'm going to continue with this, and you'll see what I have created afterwards. I want you don't have to copy exactly what I'm doing, but create something that looks like a maze, like a little top view of some rooms interconnected, and make sure that they are all aligned nicely. Okay, please, no gaps in between any of the items. We don't want anything that looks like this, for example. I don't want to see, or I don't want the tiniest bit of gap there. We want them to snap together properly, which is where the V comes in very handy. And V, nice, done. Okay, I'm forward, and you continue with this and do something decent. Great. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. I think a decent effort. You can see we have a few rooms, 1, 2, half a room here, 3, a little bit of an entrance, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 rooms. Okay, hope you have something close to this, or let's say about as big as this. Just make sure it's neat, everything's lined up. I can't stress that enough. Very important that you have your work looking decent and clean and neat. Okay, this is all we are going to do for today. I'll catch you guys next time, where we will start adding, we'll add a character in and some collectibles. And maybe an end of level flag or button or treasure chest or something like that. Okay, until then, enjoy. Maybe practice a bit more. Okay, bye.